Hey people, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss TCS NQT coding question which was asked on 3rd April. The, Before moving to the question, please subscribe to our channel Gen Z Tech for latest hiring updates, and also I will be providing this all NQT coding questions in this particular playlist called TCS NQT Coding Round Preparation. Please go and check it out in my channel. And also I have been making a lot of videos on like continuously making these videos on Java 8 interview questions. You can check it out this also. Let's move towards the question. You have to find the minimum and maximum frequency element in an array. The output should be separated by space. So here the input format is n and array elements. N is the number of array elements, a is the array, a is array elements. Okay, so output should be print the element with minimum frequency and print the element with maximum frequency separated by a space. So let's understand this via a test case. So here we have 9 elements. So we have 1, 2, here I'm writing the unique elements, okay, 4, 5, right? So what's the frequency of 1 in this array? 1, right? What's the frequency of 2 in this array? It's 2, right? What's the frequency of 3 in this array? 2, right? What's the frequency of 4 in this array? 3, right? What's the frequency of 1? 5 is 1. Okay. So here we got all the elements frequency. Okay. So now what we will do is we have to find the minimum frequency, right? So what's the minimum frequency in this array? It's 1, right? So 1 we have two elements. So here we have two minimum elements, minimum frequency elements, right? So what we have to do, they have told in this array, they have mentioned in the NQT real exam, actual exam, they have mentioned that you have to find the first occurred minimum frequency element. Whichever you get first minimum frequency element, that you have to return. Okay, kind of like that. Here first we are getting 1, right? So we have to return 1. Should not return 5. Okay, so here that is the that we have. Okay, however we will calculate the minimum frequency, so we have to calculate the maximum frequency. What's the maximum frequency in this? It's 3, right? So what's the maximum frequency element? That is 4. We have to return this 4. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So let's move towards the coding part. Sorry. Okay, this is the code. I have taken a scanner class, and also okay, no need of this comments and all. I will be commenting these comments. Sorry, this strings. Okay, so here I have taken array elements and value all the array elements. So here first we are like counting the frequency using map. Okay, so here I have declared a map, and also this is a logic for counting the frequency of each element. Okay, so like m dot put of element comma m map dot get or default of element. Okay, element. Okay, if there is an already an element, it will be like whatever the value at that particular element is there, it will be incremented by 1. Okay, you know hash map will be stored in the key value pair, right? Key will be like actual element, value will be the frequency count. Okay, if there is a new element we are going to add, it will add with the 0 count. Okay, 0 count plus 1 it will add. Okay, so here the step 2 is like we are declaring two variables, that is minimum and one more is a maximum. So first we are like after calculating all the frequency through this logic, we have in the map we have one of the special function called values. Under that we are like we will get all the frequencies, right? So we are like finding the minimum value and maximum value, right? Minimum value and maximum value. So what we will get minimum value as 1 as a frequency. I'm telling frequency about this is for frequency, right? And we'll get the maximum frequency as 3, right? And based I'm taking the test case example, okay, which I showed before. And after that we are like declaring two variables, minimum element is equals to -1 and maximum element also equals to -1. Okay, so here we are running a loop on key set. See here also we have declared we have used one of the special function in the map, that is map dot key set. Okay, so we have used that. So after that what we are like if map dot we are writing a condition, that is map dot get of key. Then we see, if I write this thing, we will get a frequency element. Okay, for example, map dot get of key. Key will what key in the keys, what will be present, actual values of that array in the, okay, in the key set. Okay, in the value set, where's the value set? Okay, sorry, here is the value set, right? In the value set, what the elements will be, we will be getting, the elements will be frequency elements. Okay, in the key set, actual elements will be there. So here what we will do is like map dot get of key, which is equals to minimum, like we will get the frequency elements. Okay, here map dot get of key means each element will get map dot get of 1, map dot get of 2, map dot get of 3, map dot get of 4, map dot get of 5, as I showed in the like. Okay, I will be showing map dot get of in this. Okay, map dot get of 1, map dot get of 2, map dot get of 3, 4, 5. Map dot get of 1 means 1 we will get, map dot get of 2 means 2 we will get, map dot get of 3 means 2 we will get. Okay, kind of like that. Okay, after that what okay, we are like finding the, okay, minimum value. What will be the minimum value? 1, right? Once we get the minimum value in the frequency, in the frequency array, frequency thing, whenever the frequency is equivalent to 1, okay, then we are like storing minimum element is equals to key. We are storing key, we have to return key, not the frequency. Okay, keep it in your mind. Then after that we will be giving a break. Why break means, I told while traversing, okay, we should return the, okay, like first minimum frequency element, right? Right, frequency. First we should return the first minimum frequency element. Okay, that's why we are like breaking. For we figure, for in the test case we got like minimum frequencies for two, okay, two elements, that is 1 and 5. We have to return one, right? So for that we are, once we get the element, we will break. That's it. So again same thing we'll write for maximum also. Same thing, map dot get of key, which is equals to max. Max will be 3. Whenever I get a max frequency as 3, that that particular key will be stored in the maximum element, and then the thing will be like break. We have to breaks, right? This is the maximum frequency element, that's it. And then we are printing the both elements, like minimum element and maximum element. That's it. I hope you understood this logic. Please share it with your friends who are like preparing for NQT exam. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.